I'm a married man. Sorry, mister.
Hey, guapo.
Climb aboard. Don't take all day.
Morning, man.
Come on. Nice morning, ain't it?
Oh, please! It's Herbert Moon! I'm Herbert Moon! I've just been robbed! You gotta stop him!
Howdy, mister.
I'm back.
I abhor violence. I fear there are no other options.
Sounds. You got anything interesting, friend?
I'm sorry I got in your way.
Whoa, now. Howdy. Buenos dias.
Hasta pronto.
Goodbye.
Here's your money. I think he's learned his lesson.
You're a real American, Pard. Keep some of the money for payment. It seems all the rail does these days is drop off more and more foreigners.
What are you waiting for? Climb aboard. Yeah.
Are you keeping wet?
Come on. Come. Let's go. Load up now. Seth,
Hey, John. Hey, partner.
get what you need? Ready to help me?
Not quite. Not quite ready. Yeah. You see, I wasted a bunch of time looking for that last bit of map. And I got to thinking, Moses was a liar. And I imagined myself doing all kinds of unpleasant things to his corpse. And then I realized,
Realized you were sick in the head? That you needed to move on with your own limited time on Earth?
no, partner, I realized Moses weren't no liar. The issue was Aiden O'Leary, who said he had the body. Aiden died in that flu epidemic, and the bodies weren't even buried yet.
Got the body sitting in the back of that wagon behind you?
Yes, sir.
You're not even gonna wait until they're buried before you...
Well, they don't care, do you, boys? Honest folk off to a better place. Apart from that Aiden O'Leary fella, I never liked him. They say he laid with his sister. I don't like women, partner. I don't. Not since Mammy died.
Seth, what are you gonna do with those bodies?
I'm gonna take him back to a nice quiet spot and look for the map. I needs the map, partner. I needs it.
Let's go! We ain't the only ones with an interest in these here fellas. All right, I know a secluded spot where we can search these sleeping beauties. Stay left! No need for the people of Armadillo to see my friends back here. By the way, I saw Wes Dickey. He told me there's no ammunition in that machine gun of yours.
Sounds like I need to pay Irish another visit.
Where are you? Come on, don't be shy.
What did you say?
I didn't say nothing.
Are you talking to them?
So what if I am? I feel less alone with them than in a crowd of people. The way I see it, they lost their souls, just like me.
You're truly a sick man, Seth.
You remind me of why I hate people. For a man who kills so much, you sure seem to have a problem with the dead. I've killed everyone in the end. They ain't so different from you and me.
Aside from them being dead and rotting, I guess they ain't. All right, Seth. Calm down. You talk to the corpses and I'll drive the wagon.
Oh my! It's them damn treasure hunters! Try and outrun them, partner! I'm gonna look for the map back here! You try to shake those damn rednecks! Where's my map? Come on. Oh my god! We're on fire! We're all right. I put it here. No need for money where you're going, friend. We're sitting ducks. Let's go. Work them horses. Hey, this fella's a little right. Bet he's got something on. Who's got a pistol set? We gotta go faster, partner. It's been a pleasure meeting you. You're stiff as board. Relax. I just want a little look-see. Will you be my friends? Well, look at this. Some elixir. Thanks, partner. Be seeing you very soon. Head left at this turn! Damnation! Woo! Somebody needs a new cologne. Hold us up here! All be over soon. Christ alive! It's the map! I found the map! Move them horses, damn it! Looks like the treasure's in Tumbleweed. That's where I was headed. It's fate. Keep going. We're almost there.
I don't believe it.
Devil! Whoa! Come on, let's get this wagon moving! Can't you see we're in a rush here? Can't you go any faster? Be above 6 long, son of a bitch! Look at that! They're turning tails! That's right! You run! Looks like the treasure's in Tumbleweed! That's where I was headed! It's fate! Keep going! We're almost there!
Join that horse! This just got... Benefits of the best men here.
Oh my! Oh my! Is this the quickest you can go? Help! Looks like the treasure's in Tumbleweed! That's where I was headed! It's fate! Keep going! We're almost there!
Stop doing that!
horses, damn it! Looks like the treasure's in Tumbleweed. That's where I was headed. It's fate. Keep going. We're almost there. Let's get this wagon moving! Can't you see we're in a rush here? Can't you go any faster? Oh my! Oh my! Is this the quickest you can go? We're sitting ducks! Let's go! Work them horses! Thanks, mister. I reckon I'll sit here a while trying to figure this out. I'm gonna be rich.
When you're done with that, get over to Fort Mercer. I need you inside that place.
After I find my treasure, mister.
Oh, it's like that, is it? Huh? Not talking to Seth today? Oh, the old silent treatment. Oh, whoa, woo-hoo. That's quite a stimulus.
Hey, Seth. Seth, come back here.
Oh, hey, partner. I was just looking for you.
Looking for me. What? Over there?
How you doing?
I'm good.
Well, see you later, partner.
Where you going, partner?
Nowhere.
Okay. Nowhere wouldn't happen to be where that thing you're looking for is kept, would it?
No, sir. No, sir.
Come on, partner.
Okay, I was just fooling. Partner, you know, the thought of that treasure does funny things to me.
According to the map, it's somewhere in that big abandoned house.
want more?
You'll never find
Oh, dang it! We got a welder right here!
Are you gonna shoot somebody?
Oh, boy!
Oh, like a better can. You gotta find the treasure for me. Please, I'm begging you.
Damn, this one's locked. Let's check the back.
Go on. We ain't
Here we go. Come on, Seth.
What the hell? Boss, I have a
Who else wants some?
Shit! You're making me real what now, mystery?
That's my damn treasure.
Prick! I'm gonna lose my temper, mister. Damn, you jumpy.
You don't want to do this, my friend!
Blow their damn brains out.
That's funny.
Don't leave any alive.
I'm gonna kill you! Come here!
Kill 'em all, mister.
You ain't gonna win this!
That's it, partner. Smoke 'em.
And whip 'em out.
It's mine. I found it.
Put him down! Oh, my pecker's getting hard. I can throw it on this
Sneaky sons
street's
of
property.
bitches.
Try getting up from that!
Come here. Let me see. Let me see. Finally, I see the light at the end of this very long, long tunnel. Seth's gonna be rich after all these years. It's silk sheets and Parisian whores from now on, mister. What the goddamn hell is this? A glass eye.
I'm sure whoever that belonged to treasured it very much.
Stupid liars. Those stupid chicken shit maps. Making a damn fool of me. A glass eye. It's a glass eye.
Stop with the tears and help me with Williamson's gang. And you can come up with another excuse to go exhume one of your old friends.
Hunting dead man's treasure ain't done me no favors. Sure. I'm ready for the living. I'll see you and Mr. West Dickens over at Fort Mercer when you gentlemen is ready.
Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Andrew. Let's go. Mr. West Dickens.
Ah, Mr. Marston. How wonderful to see you, sir. How wonderful.
Are we ready then?
Yes, sir. Nearly, sir. Barely nearly, sir. I just need some cash to get some extra hardware fitted to my old Trojan horse here.
You what?
Never mind, sir. I can only presume that you have not enjoyed the benefits of a classical education, so I will not take umbrage if some of my illusions sail over your head, sir.
I won't pretend to understand you, but I will endeavor to make you understand me. Either we do this right now, or I put a bullet in you and get on with my day.
Please, I knew you were a violent man, Mr. Marston, but I did not think you were a stupid one. We need money to outfit my carriage, to turn a simple tradesman's vehicle into something more subterfuge. And I'm about to tell you how we are going to gain said cash. Now, I know that you ride very well. So come, sir, to Rathskeller Fork.
Follow me, John. It's not too far to Rathskeller Park. So how are you, John?
Okay, all things considered. Hopefully we can get through today without running into another army of your satisfied customers. Yeah! You're such a successful businessman. What are you doing living in a cave?
Delightfully Dickensian, isn't it?
If you say so.
Are you familiar with the concept of philanthropy, John?
I'm surprised you are.
Oh, I don't do any of this for myself, John. I hope you realize that.
You're crazy, old man. You seem to be forgetting that I've been part of your ridiculous charade.
Ah, seeing a lame woman walk again. That's all the pay I need.
Why don't you give it away then?
But I have expenses to cover. My horses, my wagon, and the man must eat.
You certainly look like you eat.
So, are you ready for the race, John?
I can think of better uses for my time.
Better than making money? Oh, I don't think so. And from what I hear, you should be well practiced. It's been quite a ride, John, hasn't it?
We haven't gone that far.
No, I mean us. Ridgewood Farm, Gaptooth Breach, Plainview. We make quite a team, you and me. Brains and brawn. We should consider a more permanent partnership.
This partnership ends as soon as I have Bill Williamson. I appreciate your help, but I've just about had it with all your schemes. You need to realize what's at stake here.
I know, John, I know. Just win this race and we'll be ready. I give you my word. There it is, John. Rathskeller Fork.
Go.
Gentlemen, this will be a fair race. No shooting, stabbing, cliff pushing, rock throwing, cactus grinding, neck lassoing, setting fires, or other acts that causes a rider to unfairly lose his weight or bleed heavily or black out. Get yourselves ready. Set. Go!
He saw, he conquered. What a fantastic spectacle, John. Let's take a moment to bask in the glory of our victory.
Have we got enough money now?
All right. Yes, once Seth and Irish have furnished their side of the bargain, I think we should be ready. Quite a team we've assembled, don't you think?
A bunco, a grave robber, and a drunk. How could things possibly go wrong?
Hey there.
Yeah. Easy. Whoa. Come on. Come on.
gonna be... Up, sister. Put them up.
Irish, what are you doing?
Who the hell are you?
Give me that. I'm your old friend Amnesia.
Oh, good blimey.
And I've come to tell you, if you ever pretend to forget my name or your debt to me again, I'll make sure you reach heaven before these two ladies. Now get down there.
Oh, Mr. Marston. How are you?
Ashamed. Ashamed to know you. What the hell's wrong with you, robbing these gentlewomen and ladies of the Lord?
I thought they was doxies.
Ladies, I'm sorry about this man. He's unfortunately lost his mind to the demon drink. At least I hope he has, and he wasn't this stupid all along. So, please excuse us. Now, Irish, that Gatling gun doesn't work. I find that rather upsetting, don't you?
Oh, heartbreaking. Which is why I was just coming to see you when the drink got the better of me. Come on. I know where we can find the parts for you. Motherfucking Mary.
How about a drink or two, mister?
I don't think my dear wife would appreciate that too much.
What you looking at? What you looking at?
I can't stand to see a man walk around with such a dry pecker. Can I help?
Drunk as I am, my prick's in fine working order.
What a lusty specimen you are. I like that.
That fresh air's got me head spinning like a top. Can't be good for a fella.
Shut up, you lazy drunk, before I stop your head spinning with a bullet.
I resent that, Johnny. I've been working like a beaver on your behalf.
You've been working like a weasel on my behalf. Bushwhacking defenseless ladies of the cloth? You must have been raised on sour milk, Irish.
What are you talking about? I'm a good Catholic boy.
You're a booze-blind coward.
And you're a hypocrite, Marston. You've robbed just as many innocent folks as me.
I tried to only rob those who had more than they deserved.
Christ, the church has more money than anybody.
Your friend got
Where are we going, Irish?
Just to the warehouse here in Thieves Landing. I'm telling you, Johnny boy, it's all set up. We're meeting this pal of mine at the back door of the office. Hobble-tongued feller by the name of Shaky.
And he's got the ammunition we need?
Jesus, stop fretting, will you? I knows about guns front, back, and sideways.
You're gonna be real familiar with mine if things keep on this way.
All right, we're here. Stay close. Damn it! That stuttering bastard said this would be open. Come on, let's see if we can get in around the back.
I'm beginning to lose my patience.
I'm starting to think you're soft on me, Johnny boy. Can't even sneeze these days without you being there to catch the drips.
This is your last chance, you good-for-nothing shyster. You've already wasted too much of my time.
Keep your eyes open. Shaky's all right, but I don't trust the gang of fools he runs with. Shaky's made the arrangements, and he'll... Oh, shite. Sounds like Shaky's only gone and got himself found out.
All right. Now all we have to do is find out who you work with. You hear me? Shaky, you wretched fucking son of a whore. Suck my again! Oh!
Labor relations don't sound like they're exactly at an all-time high. You sneak in and get poor Shaky loose. I'll go get the wagon. Good luck, Marston. He's a good man, that Shaky.
Again!
All right, work your usual magic. I'll go get the wagon ready.
What was that?
Aim and blast!
These are getting close.
Off me before they come back! Thank you for your kindness, mister. I thought I was dead, man.
My kindness is only as good as the bullets you can fetch up from me and your friend Irish. Let me down, and you'll be a dead man.
This is gonna be one hell of a fight. All right, let's get out of here while we got the chance. Who's making fun of shaking now?
Stop doing that!
Thanks, mister. I'm in a world of trouble now. Let's head for the door. Follow me. Get out of here, all of you! I'll take y'all on.
You got an appointment with Martinez?
Try getting up from that!
Come on, partner! Finish these sons of bitches! Come on, you little bastard! Who's next?
Crazy!
Chance!
let's drink 'em all.
There's only two of us!
You scared like...
Look out over there! I've seen something!
We got most of them. Now, let's go find the ammunition. Look out! More of them bastards! Now we're even.
Half even, Shaky. You still owe me for them morphine pills to calm your nerves. Shaky.
You'll get your half. More, you dirty fucking snake.
All right, gentlemen. Let's go.
Fucking fuck.
Oh, my virgin ears. All right, hop on. I'll get us out of here. Come on, time we was making tracks. Did you have fun in there, you and Shaky?
I killed a lot of men for this damn machine gun of yours.
I'm sorry I missed all the dramas.
You always miss all the drama. There must be cobwebs growing on that holster of yours.
Someone's got to drive the wagon, don't they? Teamwork, Johnny boy. That's my game, not just the glory like you. Hold him off, Johnny. I'll get you back to McFarland.
That worked.
I don't like this, Marston. My heart's beating like a bloody drum.
Just drive, Irish. You're acting like a schoolgirl.
Sakes alive! How many are there?
Irish, that machine gun had better work after all this.
Don't you worry. You won't find a finer piece of artillery west of Dublin. Hell of a team, me and you. We should consider making this a more permanent partnership. Look out, there's one on the bridge up ahead. Jesus, we really ruffled a few feathers back there. Jesus, somebody wants that ammunition real bad.
You're a real cold-blooded killer, Irish.
Here's the boy, them bastards.
It's just me and you, partner.
Well, I think you're ready for part master. You got enough ammunition here to take down a small country, fella.
I'm gonna need it. Bill Williamson's got himself an army.
So I guess this is where we part ways, Johnny Marston.
Or maybe not, friend. You're gonna be right alongside me when I take on that fort. After all you put me through, it's time you pull the damn trigger for once. Show me what a big, bad killer you really are.
Yes, of course. What am I thinking? Don't worry, you can count on me. I just hope I don't steal all your glory. Wouldn't be right or proper. Impressive, Marston. We'll have West Dickens's wagon rigged and ready to go soon enough.